Hi, welcome to this video class. This is Pravina here to teach you class 7 science. So, in the last video, you watched the video about the lesson heat. So, hope you might have understood it. So, here are few bits for you. Try to answer them. Yes, the first bit, the hotness of an object is determined by itself. And the second one, temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. So there are two kinds of thermometer, laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. So which thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the boiling water? So and which thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of boiling water. Then the next, temperature is measured in degree. Then next one is, no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of. So there are the three types of transfer of heat: the conduction, convection and radiation. So the transfer of heat takes place through these three processes. So in which process there is no medium required for the transfer of heat? And the next bit, a cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of. So what is that process called as? Then cloths of dash colors absorb more heat better than cloths of light colors. So try to take a pause and answer these bits. Yes, here are your bits. So the hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Then temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by clinical thermometer. So clinical thermometer is used only to measure the body's temperature, right? So the next one is, temperature is measured in degree Celsius. The next one, no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. So heat is transferred to its other end by the process of conduction. So in the process of conduction, the heat is always transferred from colder region from a region of hotter end to the colder end. And the next one is, clothes of dark color absorb more heat better than clothes of light colors. Is it so? Yes. Yes, now try to match this column 1 with column 2. Land breeze blows during. So in which time does it take place? Then sea breeze blows during. Dark colored cloths are preferred during. Which season? Then light colored cloths are preferred during. So take a pause and try to answer them. Yes, land breeze, it blows during night time. Sea breeze, it blows during daytime. Okay, so as during the morning time, as there is very hot, as it is very hot, so the land, it gets heated very fast. So the air which is present on the land surface, it moves towards the sea, and the cool breeze from the sea, it moves towards the land. So the sea breeze blows during daytime. Then the dark colored cloths are preferred during. So why do we prefer dark colored cloths? We prefer them during the winter season. So the reason for that is, as the dark colored cloths, as they absorb more amount of heat, so to keep ourselves warm, we just prefer dark colored clothes during the winter season. Then the light colored cloths are preferred during the summer season. So the reason behind this is, as the light colored cloths, they reflect the light, they do not absorb more amount of heat. So due to that reason, we prefer light colored cloths during the summer season to keep ourselves cool. Yes, here is a picture for you. So mark where the heat is being transferred. So there are three different processes through which the transfer of heat takes place. So by the process of conduction, convection and by the process of radiation. So the processes such as conduction, convection and radiation. So the transfer of heat takes place by these three processes. So here in this picture, try to mark what is the kind of process of heat transfer takes place. So conduction, where does it takes place, and convection, where does it takes place, and radiation. So try to answer these by just looking at the picture. Hope you might have answered it correctly. So here your answer is, so the transfer of heat from burner to the pan, it takes place through radiation. In the sense, in the process of radiation, there is no requirement of medium for the transfer of heat. So the process of radiation is between the heat here burner and the pan. And the next, the transfer of heat from pan to the water, it takes place through the process of conduction. Yes, so the conduction, it is taking place between the pan and the water. So where the heat is being transferred from a hotter object to the colder object. Then the transfer of heat within the water. So as we have already discussed that the transfer of heat, whether it may be in air or water, they are the poor conductors of heat. So the process of transfer of heat in them, it takes place through a process known as convection. So the heat from the burner to the pan through the process of radiation, and the transfer of heat from pan to the water, it takes place through the process of conduction, and the transfer of heat within the water, it takes place through convection. Yes, here are two questions for you. Try to answer them. So in places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. So what is the reason why the walls are being painted white? So what might be the reason for that? So try to answer this question. Then the next one is, state similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.